Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 24-piece press-on French tip nails. These ones here are short square fake nails. They are the pink nude acrylic nails with colorful flower design. Alright, so today we happen to receive our acrylic. These are the color number 3, which has the colorful tips as well as the little flowers. So it gives you step by step how to put these on. It is highly recommended using a really good solid glue. So with you using a really solid glue, these ones right here will make them look like they were professionally done. So you get your file, you get a pad, and you also get the glue in the back. And here's some extra nails. You've got the orange one, you've got the pink one, you've got your flowers, so you have different designs to choose from. So this is a tiny little box, but it does have 24 pieces. They look super nice. They're not too flimsy. They look really nice, like they were professionally done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on. So right now I have applied it with some really nice hard strong glue. They look really nice. All I have to do right now is kind of file it down. So with the glue I'm pushing really hard down on it. So they're not flimsy. They look really nice. They look professionally done. A couple of them I actually have to file down, and I've used my actual own file because the file that it comes with, I mean, it's something that you can use, but it is highly recommended. If you have a better filer, I would recommend that one. So I have to fix a couple of my fingers, but otherwise after I got done finishing them, they look super nice. I got compliments on them, how they look like they were professionally done. I would highly recommend checking out these ones, especially for the summer look. These ones are super nice for the summer, and I definitely say I would check these ones out.